Hello and welcome to the part 10 of AWS Certified Solution Architect full crash course. In this part, we're going to learn about encryption, designed to help you prepare for Solution Architect Associate certification. Are you new to encryption method used by AWS KMS? Let's dive into the basic before exploring the AWS Key Management Service itself. Encrypted data, also known as a plain text or clear text data, can be read by anyone with access. But when it comes to sensitive information, encryption is crucial. Encryption alters the information using mathematical algorithms and encryption keys, rendering the data unreadable. Symmetric encryption uses a single key for both encryption and decryption, while asymmetric encryption involves two separate keys. AWS KMS use both methods, ensuring secure data handling. Symmetric encryption requires secure key transmission, while asymmetric encryption allows the public key to be freely shared. Although symmetric encryption is faster, it carries additional risks. So, understanding these encryption methods is essential for securing your data with AWS KMS. Now, let's cover the fundamentals of the AWS KMS service. The key management service is a managed service used to store and generate encryption keys that are used by the most AWS service that perform encryption to protect your data. KMS is essential for encrypting data at rest across various AWS services, ensuring the security of your data. There are different types of keys within KMS, including AWS managed, customer managed, and data keys, each serving specific encryption purposes. KMS seamlessly integrates with AWS CloudTrail to track and audit encryption key usage, ensuring compliance and governance within your production environment. In summary, AWS KMS is a crucial tool for generating and managing encryption keys, enabling secure data encryption at rest across multiple AWS services. Now let's deep dive into the AWS Key Management Service and explore its components. The primary keys within the KMS service used for cryptographic operations like encrypting and decrypting data. By default, these are symmetric 256-bit AES GCM encryption keys, ensuring secure storage on hardware security modules. These keys can be used for encryption and signing, creating both a public and private key pair. As a customer, we have a greater control over these keys from a permission and management perspective. There are three types of keys when working with KMS: customer managed, AWS managed, and AWS owned. Customer managed keys offers greater control over permissions and management, while AWS managed keys are automatically generated by AWS service. Hash-based authentication codes are used to verify data integrity and authenticity. Within KMS, HMAC keys are created as symmetric keys at varied lengths and are used to create and verify HMAC codes. Generated by KMS keys, data keys are used to encrypt and decrypt data outside of KMS. They are designed to be used with the AWS Encryption SDK, simplifying encryption. Key material is an essential part associated with a key within AWS. Used as a part of cryptographic algorithm, it can be sourced from various secure sources, including AWS KMS, external key managers, Cloud HSM, are imported by the user. Implementing key rotation for customer managed keys is security best practice. AWS KMS can manage these rotation automatically, ensuring the security of the key material. Now let's understand the methods available to secure your KMS keys. KMS key policies are resource-based policies tied to your KMS key. They specify who can administer the key, access it for cryptographic operations, and create grants to control temporary access. The key policy document is JSON based and contains elements such as resource, action, effect, principle, and conditions, much like IAM policies. IAM permissions to access and use your KMS key must be allowed from within your key policy. Without these, IAM statements allowing access to the key will be ignored. Identify your key administrators and key users within the key policy to control administrative actions and cryptographic functions. Grants allow you to delegate permissions on a temporary basis without updating the key policy and are created using the AWS KMS APIs. Remember, when using grants, consider the type of KMS key, the grantee principle, and the delay until eventual consistency is achieved. Start securing your KMS keys effectively in AWS today. Now let's dive into foundational view of the AWS Cloud HSM service. Let's explore the key aspects of these essential service. The AWS Cloud HSM service provides validated HMS that are crucial for protecting cryptographic material and encryption keys. These HSMs adhere to Federal Information Processing Standards 140/2 Level 3, making them ideal for secure workloads with AWS. Cloud HSM offers a dedicated single-tenant appliance, ensuring the security and privacy of your sensitive information. It serves as an enterprise-class service for secure encryption, key management, and storage, enabling you to deploy compliant workloads within AWS. With Cloud HSM, you can perform various operations including cryptographic key management, hash function computation, data signing, encryption, and generation of secure random data. Cloud HSM supports both asymmetric and symmetric encryption. Asymmetric encryption involves two separate keys, while symmetric encryption uses a single key for both encryption and decryption. Let's explore the interaction between two essential AWS encryption services, AWS Key Management Service and AWS Cloud HSM. When working with AWS KMS, you can create custom key stores to gain greater control over your cryptographic key management. This is particularly useful if you have a specific compliance controls that requires a higher level of key store management. The AWS KMS offers seamless integration with various AWS services, making server-side encryption simple and efficient. It provides a wide range of integrations, allowing you to protect your data with minimal configuration. KMS creates and stores customer master keys, which can be managed and created by you as a customer of AWS. This provides greater flexibility in managing the keys, including rotation, access governance, and key policy configuration. So by creating a custom key store backed by your Cloud HSM cluster, you can seamlessly integrate KMS with AWS services while maintaining the security and compliance of managing your own key material. This allows you to control access to your key material used within the CMKs. Remember, each HSM cluster can only be associated with one custom key stored for KMS, and both the cluster and the KMS creation of the custom key store must be within the same region. If you are using Amazon S3 to store your data, protecting your data is crucial. That's why understanding server-side encryption is essential. Let's dive into the different encryption methods available and how they work. Firstly, let's explore the three server-side encryption options offered by AWS S3, Amazon S3, SSE S3, SSE KMS, and SSE-C. Each method has its unique encryption and decryption process, providing different levels of control and security. Starting with SSE S3, when a client uploads object data to S3, it's encrypted using 256-bit AES 256 block cipher. The decryption process involves retrieving the encrypted object data and decrypting it using the S3 master key. So by default, Amazon S3 applies SSE S3 to all uploaded objects. However, you can change the default encryption option to SSE KMS for greater flexibility and key management. So understanding the encryption methods available for Amazon S3 is crucial for securing your data effectively. Whether it's SSE S3, SSE KMS, or SSEC, each method offers unique advantages and control over your encryption keys. Protect your data with the right encryption method for your needs. So if you're looking to enhance the security of your data in transit to Amazon S3, consider client-side encryption. With the S3 encryption client, you can generate a unique symmetric plain text data encryption key to encrypt your object data. This key is then encrypted using a wrapping key, providing an extra layer of security. You have the flexibility to use symmetric and asymmetric keys as well as the option to utilize the AWS KMS service or your own wrapping key. The S3 encryption client acts as the intermediary between your client and Amazon S3, providing data key creation, object data encryption, and wrapping of your data key using your preferred envelope encryption method. Plus, it's compatible with different language implementations. If you're looking to enhance your security posture when working with different secrets within your AWS environment, AWS Secrets Manager can help you protect your sensitive data and streamline your security practices. So historically, developers embedded credentials directly into applications, posing security risks and making password rotation time consuming. AWS Secret Manager solves these by securely storing secrets such as database credentials and automatically rotating them without updating application code. AWS Secrets Manager supports various secrets including database passwords, API keys, and plain text data with built-in Lambda function support for automatic rotation. Your secrets are encrypted using the key management service and can be accessed and controlled using fine-grained IAM identity-based policies and resource-based policies. So creating a secret in AWS Secrets Manager is simple, and retrieving the values can be done programmatically or via the AWS Management Console or CLI. AWS Secrets Manager provides a secure and efficient way to manage your secrets, ensuring enhanced security and streamlined access. So if you're ready to take your security practices to the next level, try AWS Secrets Manager. So ever wondered about the importance of digital certificates and the key features of AWS Certificate Manager? Let's dive in. Digital certificates are crucial for establishing trust in online communication. They enable us to configure secure connections, validate digital signatures, and ensure the integrity of data at rest and in transit. Without trusted digital certificates, we can't trust the public keys embedded within them, making secure connections impossible. Private certificate authorities. Public certificate authorities issue certificates from public-facing services, while private certificate authorities are used for internal purposes. Public CAs are already trusted by most operating systems, while private CAs requires manual configurations to establish trust. So AWS Certificate Manager offers publicly trusted certificates for free, eliminating the need to generate key pairs or issue certificate signing requests. It also provides the ability to automatically renew expiring certificates, ensuring seamless operations without downtime. So whether it's about you securing connection with AWS services or setting up a private certificate authority, AWS Certificate Manager has got you covered.